Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a super easy spicy garlic prawns and clams stir-fried within 7 minutes. So let's start cooking. Now we're going to prepare the sauce for the dish. I have with me over here 4 tablespoons of Kecap manis using the sweet type, not the saltish type. Add in 3 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine or shaoxingjiu. Now for our Muslim friends, you can actually omit this. Add in a few dashes of white pepper and half a tablespoon of corn flour. Mix them up well. Once you have mixed them up well, you set them aside and I'll show you how to put the dish together. Now we're going to put the dish together. Heat up your wok. Add in a good amount of oil. We are going to pan fry our prawns. Swirl the oil around a little bit. I have with me over here half a kilogram of prawns or 500 grams. These are tiger prawns. I've actually cut off the antenna, the legs and split the center up so that the veins can be removed. Okay, we're just going to slide this inside the pan. Lay them out nicely so that they will all feel the heat of the wok. We are going to pan fry them until they are red on one side before we turn it over to the other side. This will take like 2 minutes or so. I'm using medium heat over here so you can do the same. Now if it gets too smoky, you can just reduce the heat a little bit. While the prawns are cooking, I'm using this Kecap manis. Okay, you can see over here, Kecap lemak manis. This is the one that we use for this dish. Once the prawns have turned red like this on one side, we're going to turn it to the other side. Now the purpose of doing this is, of course, we need both sides to be cooked evenly. We are pan frying the prawns first before putting in all the rest of the ingredients is because we don't want our garlic to get burnt. Okay. Once you have turned the prawns to the other side, we will add in 1 whole bar of garlic chopped. Just spread them out. For the spiciness, I'm adding in 2 bursai chilli, deseeded. Now if you, of course, you don't take spiciness, you can don't put any chilli. Add in about 3 or 4 stalks of the spring onion, the white color part first, or the stem. Just spread them out like this. I'm also adding in 500 grams of clams. These are cooked frozen clams which I've actually thawed and washed it a few times just to make sure there's no sand or any debris inside here. So we just put everything in. Pour in our sauce, give it a little bit of stir first. Put the cover on. And we just need to heat this for approximately 1 minute. Now if you are using fresh clams, you will need to cook this for about 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes around there, depending on the size of the clams also. If that's the case, then you will actually need to, once you flip the prawns over, immediately add in the clams, okay? I'll let you know when 1 minute is up. 1 minute is up, let's have a look. We'll add in the rest of our spring onions. Mix them up a little bit. Wow, look at how pretty this is. Okay, now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells absolutely delicious. Don't mind me using my hands. I'm going to eat the clams first. Oh. Sweet, savoury with a hint of spiciness. This is really good. The prawns. Wow. Oh. Crispy, sweet. This is really, really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you. Bye-bye. Wow. The light spiciness is very, very good.